Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 decimal mathematics book Ashalata Badamai, page number 107, exercise 7C. In the previous video we did exercise 7B and before that we did exercise 7A. Now we'll move on with exercise 7C. It's kind of tricky to understand, but I'll make sure that we understand. So first let's read this, then I'll explain. Just give me a minute. It is saying connecting decimals and measurements. It's C part. So now if I say measurement of length, you know that, right? You already know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. You maybe have learned this in... Just give me a minute. You may have learned this in lower grades like 4th and 5th. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 liter equals to 1 milliliter, and that all. So for that we can continue it like this. Okay, so now I'll explain this exercise, so then we can go on. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's continue. So first the date 11. First of all, Happy New Year, because due to some issues I didn't post videos since last 2 weeks. In weekend I always post, but I however didn't post. Page 107. Okay, so let's move on. I'll write exercise also. 7C. So board is nice and clearly visible, right? Not at all blur, right? If it's blur, please let me know. Yeah. First question है express in decimals, but let me show. If this is an explanation, examples. If I have 2 meters 47 centimeters, I have to convert and write this in decimal. So how will you write it? Just see. I have to write this in decimals. So if I say that, just a minute. So then first 2 as it is, point as it is. Okay, now 47. You know this, right? All you have to learn is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So I have to put before 2 digit, means 100th. Remember 100th. So 47. Now this is as it is answer, and the bigger unit you have to write in the end. Okay. But if I say but 2 meter 3 centimeter, now you will not write deciprobal like 2.3 meters. This is wrong. You will write it 2.03 meters, because hundredths place, remember, 10th, 100th, 1000th, right? So 100th, since it is 100 centimeter, we will leave 1 0 if it's not space. If now I say 1 kg equals to 1000 grams, right? So we'll leave 1 more 0 in the same problem. If I say 3 kgs 40 grams, how will you write this? Any idea? 3.40. Again, this will be wrong. 3.040 is the answer. Okay, this will be right. Because now here it is 1000. So you have to put point after 3 digits. If there is 100, 1 meter, 100 centimeter, you have to put point after 2 digits. Clear? Now we can do the exercise. Still, let's read this one time, nice and clear. Okay. Measurement of length. You know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. When we say 5 meter 20 centimeter, we mean 5 meter and 20 upon 100 of 1 more meter. Okay. In decimal, we can express this as 5.20 meter. Why? Okay, why? We just learned. See in the board, we just learned that. Why? Now, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. When we say 2 kilometer and 350 meter, we mean 2 kilometer and 350 upon 1000. Because 1 kilometer again 1000 meters of 1 more kilometer. In decimal, we can express this 2.350 kilometers. When we say 8 kilometer 75 meter, we mean 8 kilometer and 75 upon 1000 of 1 more kilometer. In the decimals, we express it like 8.05 kilometers. Because there is 75 given. If it's 750, then you don't have to add 0. Just write it. But before point, there should be 3 digit if there is 1000. 1 kilometer 1000. Okay. Understood? If there is 100, you have 2 like this. Then you have to put 1 0. And if it's 20, you just write 20 as it is. Clear? See the common mistake column also one time. Read it nicely. Then we can try these. Okay. Now, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity also. It's the same, just the unit will be changed. It's like kilometer because these both are also thousands. Okay. Let's move on with these exercises. Okay. First question, express these measurements as decimals. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Now let's start with the exercise. Express these measurements as decimals. So the first A part in your textbook is, look at your textbook if you have, or else I'm showing it. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So 3 meter 45 centimeter it is. We'll write the answer. 3 meter 45 centimeter in decimal. You will write. See again. I'll just put a column here. Write the units like 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 kg, 1000 grams. 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. 1 centimeter, 10 mm. Then just make one more column. Fine, it's okay. What am I missing? 1 liter, 1000 millimeters. Clear? Write this column if you're doing this first time. So it's meter. See this. Meter into centimeter, 100. So you can write it as it is. Because before point, if there is 100, we need 2 digits. So there are no need. You'll write meters since you have to write the bigger number. Let's move to the B part. I'll show it again. 4 meter 7 centimeter. Okay, it's the B part. 4 meter 7 centimeter is the B part. It's again meter, so it will be 100. Now we will write it 4.07 meters because we don't have 2 digits to cope up with 100, so we'll add 0. I should show the C part also. 1 meter 12 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter 12 centimeter. 1 meter. Just give me a minute. 1 meter 12 centimeter. It is 1 meter 12 centimeter. Again, it's easy. Just write as it is. Put M. D part will do. D part is 2 kilometer 340 meters. 2 kilometer 340 meters. Let me show it also. 2 kilometer 340 meters. I'm talking about this one. Okay, 2 kilometer 340 meters. It's kilometer meter, 1000. So it is also in right. 340 we can write because we need 3 digits since it's 1000. E part 1 kilometer 45 meters. 1 kilometer 45 meters. Again we have kilometer meter, so it's 1000. We'll write 1.045 because it's 1000. You have to put 0 since it's only 45. Last part, F part, 5 kilometer 90 meters. 5 kilometers 90 meters. 5.090. It's the same as E part. Yes, the situation is same. Okay, I'll keep this for 2 minutes. See it. Note it down. Yeah, hopefully it's done. Just give me a minute. Okay, moving on to the second question now. I have kept the third question, first question here. So the people who are not done can see it. Just give me a minute. Yeah, let's start with the second question. So it's A part, 3 kg 300 grams. We'll refer this. Again it's 1000, but we don't need anything. The answer will be as it is. Just add a point. I'll add a big one so you can see. 9 kg 125 gram. Again it is the same. It has 3 digits, so we don't need to add. Now 3 kg 550 gram. Again it is same. 550 kg. Let me show the book ones. 300, 9 and 3. Okay, let's move to the next one. These are super easy. Just give me. Yeah, okay. So 4 liter 700 ml. Refer the ml one. It's also 1000. It's already 700. So nothing to worry. 3 and 7. Again, nothing to worry about, and it's also the same. 5 liters. So here we are done with the full exercise. So friends, hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.